All right, we're gonna do some comparisons here with these Molle panels on both these 6th Gen 4Runners. Now I want to get into some of the Molle panels. You can see how they've got the Molle panel equipped here. They brought their Molle panel all the way as far back as they could and all the way as far forward as they could. We did not do that on our Molle panel. You can see we really just matched the radius of the window all the way around, and we wanted to actually match the radius line of the body line here on our Molle panel, because we knew that it's a piece of glass you're mounting up to the roof rack here, then you're mounting the suction cups to the glass. Our biggest concern was getting someone to put too much weight on there that could cause for that window to fail with the pressure on it. We did go a little bit smaller with it. We wanted to make it a little bit more cleaner. We wanted it to look like it flowed into the vehicle and was designed with the vehicle. But I do see, obviously they've put a lot more stuff on it on this one, and it's laid out really nicely. And they've maximized the amount of space coverage that they've got here to mount to their roof rack. So I see where they're coming. It was just we went down a different road, more for styling, but also functionality as well. Hope sharing these Molle panels with you really helped you make a decision on which is the Molle panel that you want to run on your truck.